Hey everybody, this is TomEighty here, and I have a video today about the new cars that have been added to the Street Outlaws No Prep Kings Season 3. If you missed my last video I put out after the Maryland race, here's a quick overview of the cars I featured in that one, and there's a card above that you can click to get right to that video to catch up if you want to. Here is Larry Larson in his wicked fast S10 pickup truck that has been on top of almost every race in season 1 and 2 of No Prep Kings. Larry drove a blue Nova at the race in Maryland, which was the starter of season 3 for No Prep Kings. I did overhear him in the pit saying that he was hoping to unveil his new car at the next race, which would be at New Hampshire, and that this car has been a secret and no pictures or information has been leaked out about it so far. So I was excited to see it. Larry is getting ready here to go on TV and show off his new car. Gotta make sure that t-shirt looks nice. In the background you can see a lot of familiar faces such as Jeff Lutz, Ryan Martin, Barefoot Ronnie Pace, Sean Wilhoit, Billy Hayes, Giuseppe Gentile, and Chris Poncia. I'm not sure if these guys are nervous and checking out the competition or just excited and happy for Larry's new car. Either way, this new Cadillac is beautiful looking, and whereas S10 was all function, this new car has more class to it, such as look at the exhaust housing coming off the turbo and how good it looks and matches when the hood is closed.
Dylan, watch out. This is very nice.
Yeah, no, I like it. That's a original Cadillac, right? Yeah. It's not okay.
Super WR.
Is that your truck under there?
Huh?
Truck underneath there?
It is. See the raised bed sides?
I did.
It looks like it in there.
Truck right there.
Stacy, going right, you're right. Yes, sir.
This is a car that Brian Chucky Davis brought to the last Maryland race, and it is not his regular race car. It is one he competed in to get points while his Camaro was getting finished up. This 1971 Supercharged Savelle Ss is just awesome looking, and I thought I would just showcase it a little bit here. Here is Brian's 1969 Camaro that he'll be racing in with the No Prep Kings for the rest of the season.
All of these guys know strangers to big money road racing. These snowball watches go with hard left. Ryan Davis made it about 60 feet, had to get out of it.
This is Chuck 55 showcasing his new 55 Chev that he had built. And to be honest with you, looking at a picture that I had side by side with his old one, it's hard to tell which one is which. They look identical to him. I think the one with the sticker on the hood scoop is the older 55 Chev, and the one without is the newer one. Let me know in the comments below what you think.
Chuck 55 goes left, has to get out of it, loses the GoPro.
This is Billy Hayes' white supercharged Mustang. Billy is a good friend and business partner of Ryan Martin and the other half of B&R Performance in Oklahoma. I took video of this Mustang at the PRI show in Indiana over the winter, and I didn't know whose car it was when shooting the video, but I just knew it looked a pretty serious race car, and later found out that Chris Poncia would be driving this car for Billy during the Season 3 of No Prep Kings. If you are asking yourself, who is Chris Poncia? I'm glad you asked. In Season 1 of No Prep Kings, he entered in his orange Nova to a few of the races, and in North Carolina, he beat Chuck Seitzinger in the semifinals. And treed Birdman in the finals to win the $40,000 race. The next race he entered was the finale of Season 1 in Tulsa, Oklahoma. He ended up wrecking his great-looking Nova and spent the last few years fixing it back up. Since then, he has been driving Ryan Martin's red Ford Lightning during Season 2 of No Prep Kings, and it looks like he will be driving this Mustang of Billy's for Season 3. This is Amarillo Mike and his nitrous-powered Pontiac Firebird named Dragula that he raced in Season 1 and 2 of No Prep Kings. For Season 3, Mike came out with an awesome looking supercharged Camaro that he'll be racing in No Prep Kings.
goes into round one.
This next race was kind of scary when he lined up against Cody Baker and the Shake and Bake Camaro. Cody had something lock up on the car at the end of the track and spun him right into the wall.
So, Amarillo Mike tries to guess the light. Cody Baker goes around and loses it on top. Nose into the wall.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.